Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Farberware Dishwasher Safe. It's a high-performance non-stick skillet. This is a 12-inch version, so it is a pretty big guy here. But yeah, it's an awesome little skillet. I'll take the lid off so y'all can see more on the inside. Yeah, I mean, really great deep skillet for cooking. Deep just because the walls are deeper than most standard skillets that you would see. This one is in black. However, I think they come in multiple colors, so you can get red or brown or beige or whatever. So as for the design on this thing, the build feels really strong overall. It's definitely got some good weight to it. Excuse me. So if you're someone who maybe can't, maybe has like a little bit weaker strength or whatever, especially when you get like a lot of food in this, it does get pretty heavy. So that's one thing just to keep in mind. But yeah, other than that, it's got a really nice sturdy build. Really nice, comfortable kind of plastic rubber grip with this cool steel strip right on the top, little lining right here with the Farberware logo, and the hook right here. So you can basically hang this up and stuff. It's really nice. And then you have the heavy duty kind of aluminum bottom. It's just really strong. It's kind of little indents in the edges, so you can put it on top of the stove and it's not gonna fly around or scoot around or anything. It's kind of good and creates a little friction on top of the stove, which is nice. It has this textured non-stick surface that you can see right inside the pan. Basically, this helps to create little air pockets, cooks your food a lot more evenly, just because it traps heat inside of these little pockets. Also, doesn't leave you with a bunch of residue in the pan once you're done because it is a non-stick surface. Of course, you're gonna have to use, certain like PAM or like a spraying oil or something, but it's much better to have this non-stick surface than a traditional pan, which you will get grits and little bits stuck on top of the pan. I really like that this comes with a glass lid. As you can see, it definitely does get a little spotty, so it's helpful if you have like a dishwasher or something to really take those spots out. But it's nice because you can see right into the skillet when you're cooking with it. So I can see how well my food is doing and all that jazz. Fortunately, this one does not have a little hole in the top. Some of the glass tops come with little holes, and that's basically to let out steam. Though if you're someone who wants to keep in steam for your cooking, this is also very helpful. And you can obviously always put it off a little to the side if that's really what you want to do. But yeah, you also got this nice little plastic rubber handle on top. Very convenient, very large, easy to pick up so you're not touching the hot glass when you're cooking, which is really cool. The skillet says that it's safe for up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're cooking stovetop, you're not really going to get that hot. Though if you are putting it in the oven, you might get a little hotter than that. So I haven't put it in the oven yet. Though it does say it's oven safe, so yeah, I haven't really tried it though, but it is 350 degrees max, so don't go any higher than that if you're going to use it. Another thing I like about this is it's very easy to clean, not just because it's non-stick, but because it's so wide. It's a nice big pan, really easy to get inside of there. And the material that it's made out of too, inside and outside, is just like the food and other stuff comes right off of it. You really don't have to worry about it that much. I've used this pan for all kinds of foods. I use it a lot to cook pasta. I use it a lot to cook big batches of chicken. Used it, for just like breakfast, like omelets, eggs, things like that. You name it. It's a very well-rounded pan. It looks really nice, looks really sleek. And honestly, if you only had one pan that you could have in your home, one pan to cook with, I think this is a really great choice. You could definitely use this for pretty much anything and everything, and because it's so deep, you can also use it for maybe things like soup or stuff. I mean, it's a little wide, but it can be used. So overall, it's just very versatile and really great build quality. So yeah, again, this is Farberware high performance non-stick 12-inch skillet, and yeah, check it out. Get to cooking. Alrighty.